Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Katie, and today I wanted to recreate a makeup look that I found on Instagram. I follow a lot of makeup artists and they're like so talented and inspiring. I love seeing what they come up with, but I save like particular ones that I want to try out, and I put a couple on Instagram to see would be interested in seeing me recreate. And this one won. I'm actually very excited about it because, well, excited and nervous because I literally do not have anything peach in my makeup collection. So it's gonna be very interesting. I've already swatched multiple palettes that I have to see what would best go with it, and I had to go out and buy blush, and I realize now that this one probably is not going to be peachy enough. It's probably more like coral, which is what I wear anyways. I don't know, maybe I'm just thinking about it too much. So as always, I'm going to start off with the eyes because that's what I'm most nervous about. Wish me luck. I'm going to start out with our eye primer, and I feel like this is going to be incredibly necessary because since my skin tone is a little bit darker, peach will come out better on fair skin. I'm going to go into my messy palette once again. What's it called? Coastline. I'm going to go in with this color. I swatched it, and on my skin tone it's pretty peachy, so I'm going to use that as my base. I'm actually impressed with how pretty and peachy this is. I'm going to do some brown just to deepen my eyes a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with Suck from the Jawbreaker palette. It's very orange, but when I swatched it, it looked peachy on me. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it's not too orange. Well, I mean, it's kind of orange, but could be worse. I'm just putting it on my lid. It's always so hard to tell if you're seeing what I'm seeing because I feel like on camera it looks pink. But oh well. Alright, so I'm taking from BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. I'm taking the two oranges that are in there and mixing them together with a little bit of pink. I'm just like, I literally have no peach colors. It's, I mean, you don't really think of putting on peach eyeshadow, right? But it's very pretty. I'm gonna go back in with Coastline and just go where my brow bone is. I'm going to add some shimmers to the middle of my eye. I think I'm just gonna do it with the Stila highlight. Okay. I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna go ahead and add the peach down here, and then the highlight that I put in the middle, and then put it in the middle under, like, so when I close my eyes they're lined up. I don't know why I always have such difficulty talking. I'm sorry, guys. Now I am going to do the eyeliner. I'm trying to open the box. I'm struggling. Anyway, I see that she has it kind of like a fox liner, so I'm gonna try and achieve that. Let's hope for the best. I had to make the wings bigger because hooded eyes. If I did like the little baby eyeliner, it would look dumb. Just take my word for it. So I'm gonna let the liner dry up a little bit before I curl my lashes and do some mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the brows. I really need to learn how to do the soap brow thing. It's such a big thing now. But yeah, this does nothing. Like, my eyebrows are gonna go back down in 2.5 seconds. Alright, so I'm gonna curl my lashes and then do some mascara. I use Ibotta and there was like a $2 rebate. Is that what it's called? I don't know. But I got $2 back for purchasing something from Soap and Glory. You know that I use their cat eyeliner and I really like it. And this was actually cheaper than buying like a Rimmel, is that how you say it? Yeah, Rimmel London mascara. I wanted to try it out. It says Thick and Fast Mascara with super defining seven-sided fan flare 180 degrees brush, high definition collagen coat formula, plus special long stretch polymers and no flake all day wear technology. For dramatic lashes, apply the first mascara sweep of Thick and Fast high definition collagen coat mascara with the V groove side for volume. Then roll the brush from roots to tip. Am I dumb? Oh, I see. It's like this flat, I mean, it looks like a V if you look at it like this. I know this doesn't help you at all. Okay, here we go. So, wait, I need to read the box again. So many instructions, hold on. Okay, here we go. I got it. Wait, do I got it? Okay, I got it. Oh wow, that's actually really cute. Wow, I like that a lot. I like that. I feel like it got like all of my lashes. Like, I'm impressed because getting all of my lashes is a pain in the butt. Look at the difference. That's so pretty. I'm actually really impressed. Alright guys, I have a favorite new mascara now. Next is face. A wet sponge is a godsend, okay? Alright, I'm gonna try this NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Creamy Powder Blush. I made a mistake because this is matte and it's, you know, I'm supposed to be dewy as hell, so let's see. It's in the shade Daydream. Like I said, I don't know if this is peachy enough. Like, this looks pink. So I put like a bunch on, but it's, like I said, it's matte and we don't want matte, so I'm gonna put a little bit of my cream blush on here, even though I know it's coral, and just like go back over it. I don't know. Alright, now to make myself appear more dewy, I'm gonna do the Stila highlight again on all the highlight points. Yeah, she does a nude lip, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and add a little bit of gloss on top. Alright, look at this, guys. I mean, I don't look like the model, and that's not what we were going for. I recreated it, made it my own thing. We all have different face shapes and eye shapes and all that good stuff. I'm so glad I've gone out of my comfort zone, and I really hope you guys do too. I feel so pretty. I feel bomb. I feel sophisticated. I love it so much, guys. I hope you love it too. Please remember to comment down below and tell me like how you think I did, and if you would like to see a series of me recreating makeup looks by professional makeup artists. See you guys in next week's video. Bye.